Okay guys, this is a video for a 2020 Chevy Malibu on the infotainment system. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to set everything up. So when you start the vehicle, it's going to go to this screen. From here we can go to the audio. We can press the back button to go back. Phone, you can connect a phone. Wi-Fi, your settings, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, and then the OnStar services. So we're going to go back. For the audio, you can go from FM, AM, XM radio, and then potentially Bluetooth as well. Just press the more button. You can change the sound settings right here, the equalizer, press back button. From here you can see all the devices that are on your vehicle that are saved in there. If you want to, we're going to go to AM, we'll go to Sirius. If you want to save a channel, you're going to hold this until it saves it, and that's how you save a channel. If you want to go and figure out your 4G LTE Wi-Fi settings, just click on that. That goes to the settings. You got My Chevrolet as the Wi-Fi name, the password. If you want to change it, you can go there and change it. And then the Wi-Fi name, you can change that as well. And then see all the connected devices and all that stuff. Okay, we're going to go back here. For Apple CarPlay, in order to make this work, you have to plug in your USB into the port down here. And you can plug it into your phone and it'll sync up to this once you have it plugged in. Same with the Android Auto. For settings, you can change the time and date, change from automatic to not. Language, you can change the language. Look at all the phones you have connected, the Wi-Fi networks, the Wi-Fi hotspot, privacy. Go to your display settings to turn it off. Sounds, not much settings in here, but that is what it is. Preferences, so not much to do there, but you can go to the apps too, and then vehicle. These are actually kind of cool settings. So you have to turn it on. So rear seat reminder, you can turn that on or off. Climate and air quality, all of those settings in there. Comfort and convenience, how loud the chime is. Lighting, you can change the vehicle locator lights and the exit lighting length. Time. Remote lock, unlock, and start. Just little settings that you can change. It's pretty cool that they have these in here. You can do set up a teen driver and put the vehicle in valet mode, so you have to put a code in order to lock it or unlock it. And yeah, there's all that. So you can go to this screen too, and it gives you kind of everything all in one, a split screen. And then you click that to change the time. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can mute the volume, unmute it, turn the volume up or down. But yeah, it's a pretty good system. It seems to work pretty well. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.